I'm Katie, and I'm a transmission system planning engineer, and I'm helping keep your lights on every day. So if we have another set of equipment just like that, if we build a similar structure right on those. Northeast Utilities is a distributor of energy. We're kind of like the highway system. Transmission lines are your interstates, your freeways.
This one right here?
Yep. Design a new structure to mount on top of that. We won't have to worry about digging any new foundations. I started my career in Northeast Utilities as an intern. I had an awesome job. I was a foot patrol intern. So basically what that entailed was getting out, hiking all of the transmission line systems, and it was just basically looking for any problems. It's nice to be able to get out in the fields and see everything large scale, but also to sit back and be a part of the planning process. Say there's a thunderstorm and there's a lightning strike that takes down a structure. Well, a lot of the planning that we do is making sure that we're still able to have a backup plan.
But
Is it protected land or? Working at a big company in the energy industry is very exciting because it's a very diverse environment. There's a lot of teamwork involved. Communication is a very essential skill. Not only do we have to communicate with people outside of Northeast Utilities, but on a day-to-day basis, you're also communicating with different groups within the company. It's great to hear about, projects that I've worked on that have come into service, and we know this project has already saved our customers, hundreds of thousands of dollars because we've upgraded our system and we're supplying energy more efficiently, and that's such a great feeling.
Which breakers will trip?
Something not to forget is that you're not limited to what you learn in college. There's a lot of on-job training.
So you open this breaker and you open this breaker.
I've been handed an amazing opportunity to experience more than just one area of expertise. I've come from a background of civil engineering, but I've been able to show that as a transmission planning engineer, I could excel as well. Growing up, I was always really interested in math and sciences. They were the topics in school that I really excelled in. I was very curious. I liked to know how things worked, how things fit together. And I really knew that I wanted to be in this field in college when I started to work on a lot of team projects, and I liked seeing how all the pieces fit together. I liked seeing the big picture. And I think in the energy industry, you really have a great opportunity to do that. You get to see things from conception to completion, and then 20 years down the road when these projects are still serving our community. Every morning when I get up, I'm excited to get into work because I know that I am helping my community. There's such a sense of pride because you realize that what you have been working so hard on is becoming a reality. When you get out into the field and see that it's been built and that it's in service and serving our community, it's a phenomenal feeling.